If you've betrayed someone and want to fix it, listen closely. Because what you say next could either rebuild trust or destroy it forever. Words matter, and after betrayal, they matter more than ever. Why words matter after betrayal? Betrayal trauma is emotional violence. Words can either validate or gaslight. Silence or defensiveness deepens the wound. Stop hurting your partner. 10 Things Not to Say After Infidelity explains how careless words can sabotage healing. If this resonates with you, hit that subscribe button. We're building a space for truth, healing, and transformation, together. The 10 phrases that hurt most. 1. It didn't mean anything. 2. You're overreacting. 3. You weren't meeting my needs. 4. I said I'm sorry, what more do you want? 5. You're just trying to punish me. 6. Can't we just move on? 7. You're being insecure. 8. I didn't tell you because I didn't want to hurt you. 9. You're not perfect either. 10. It was just one time. Each phrase invalidates the betrayed partner's pain. Why you're not healing from the affair, a betrayed, shows how these phrases block emotional recovery. Pause for a moment. If this is helping you reflect or grow, subscribe now. Healing takes intention, and this channel is here to walk with you. Tips for Talking with Your Spouse offers guidance on how to speak truth with compassion. What to say instead. I betrayed your trust, and I take full responsibility. Your pain is valid, and I'm here to listen. I'm committed to transparency and change. I'll go to therapy and do the work. I know this will take time, and I won't rush you. Emotional impact of careless words. Betrayed partners often feel gaslit, dismissed, or blamed. Words can trigger PTSD-like symptoms. Psychologist on recovering a relationship from infidelity explains how emotional safety is rebuilt through validation and empathy. Your partner doesn't need perfect words. They need honest ones. They need to know you see their pain, and that you're not running from it. Your pain deserves truth, not excuses. If your partner is hurting, the weight of your words can either act as a balm or a further wound. Consider how phrases spoken from a place of genuine acknowledgement can pave the way for understanding, instead of defensiveness that may alienate. Careless remarks not only reflect insensitivity but can also create an emotional barrier, making recovery feel distant. It is essential to approach these conversations with a mindset of empathy, valuing your partner's feelings as paramount. Healing conversations require vulnerability and a willingness to learn from the hurt caused. Embrace this opportunity to rebuild. Imagine sitting across from your partner, their eyes filled with pain, and in that moment, the right words can kindle hope. Instead of glossing over the hurt, commit to genuine expressions of remorse and understanding. I recognize the impact of my actions, you might say, emphasizing your desire for genuine healing. It's crucial to create a space where your partner feels seen and heard, allowing them to share their anguish without fear of dismissal. When your partner speaks, practice active listening. Show that their experiences resonate with you. Embrace their emotions and reaffirm your commitment to change, fostering a collaborative path forward. Consider validating your partner's feelings by saying, "I understand why you're hurt, and I'm here to listen." This small acknowledgement can go a long way in demonstrating your commitment to healing. Each word you choose must carefully reflect your investment in rebuilding trust, setting a tone of sincerity that invites open dialogue. Let me know in the comments what you think. Subscribe for more. The emotional scars of betrayal can fester if ignored, so prioritize addressing the underlying pain with sensitivity. Invite your partner to express themselves, assuring them that their voice matters in this journey. As they share their feelings, you can respond with phrases that convey accountability, such as, "I take full responsibility for my actions." By directing your focus on their experience, you create a supportive environment where healing can begin. Understand that the process may be gradual and that patience is essential as your partner navigates their emotions. Reassure them of your dedication, reminding them, "I know this will take time, but I'm here for you." This proactive approach reflects a genuine desire to mend what was broken, ultimately leading to a stronger, more resilient bond. As you engage in this delicate exchange, remember the power of humility. Saying, "I'm committed to transparency and change," reinforces the seriousness of your intentions. Acknowledge that healing isn't a linear path but a winding journey. Express understanding when they share their anguish. "Your pain is valid, and I'm here to listen," allowing your partner to feel truly heard. This compassionate dialogue lays a foundation for rebuilding trust, igniting the hope that healing is not just possible but within reach. As you navigate this journey together, remember that healing requires both partners to engage actively and honestly. The path may not always be smooth, but with sincere communication, empathy, and a commitment to change, you can restore the trust that was once broken, transforming your relationship into something even stronger. Subscribe for more healing-centered content and share with a friend. And if you've been betrayed, drop a comment. Your voice matters.